This week on the Callback, we've got a couple of huge React vulnerabilities. We've got a new AI foundation, and Cursor's new feature copies Webflow's homework. Let's get into it. Ethical hackers found a few vulnerabilities in React server components last week. First, a major exploit was announced, forcing everyone to update their Next.js and other vulnerable apps. Then soon after, a couple more exploits were found and everyone had to update again. It's becoming a tradition. Now I'm joined for an interview by two of the hackers who found exploits. Gentlemen, thank you for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
Yep. Now, Lachlan, you found the React to shell exploit. Can you walk our viewers through the basics of how it works?
My research revealed a rather elegant exploit. By constructing an object that mimics React's internal trusted structures, one can circumvent the inadequate validation layer entirely, granting unrestricted execution privileges on the target server.
Wow, pretty complicated stuff. Now, King Hacker, you found a denial of service exploit. Could you walk us through it?
I made the code loop and the site breaks. It just loops. Could you say more? I send this object where the first line is like, you should look at the second line. And then the second line is like, you should look at the first line. And the first line is like, no, look at the second line. And your site does that forever. And then it breaks.
That's it? Wow, surprisingly simple. Now, Lachlan, what is the severity score for React to Shell?
It scored a perfect 10 out of 10. It's as bad as it gets.
Wow, that is remarkable. King Hacker, what did your loop exploit score?
7.5.
That's also very high. What? How is the loop even close to mine? Two pretty serious vulnerabilities. Gentlemen, how long did this take you each to find?
100 hours. My lunch break on Tuesday?
Oh, come on.
It's pretty cool that we're making this Agentic AI Foundation to keep all of our creations neutral. Now, since I'm Anthropic, I'll be giving my creation MCP, that's right, Model Context Protocol. It's pretty popular.
Well, I'm OpenAI, so I'm gifting my creation agents.md. It provides a simple format for giving agents instructions.
And since I'm Block...
Who?
Block.
Okay.
Sure. I'm going to gift my creation Goose.
Is this a joke? Goose or a goose?
It's a local vibe coding agent thing and not my problem anymore.
Are you re-gifting? What kind of a dumb name is Goose?
Didn't you just buy something called Bun?
I see your point. And if you want to end up in the foundation of incredible websites, you should be using Prismic, our sponsor. Aren't you supposed to be working on that website?
Nah, I finished yesterday.
How? That thing had like 100 pages.
Yeah, it's a Prismic site. I used the Figma plugin and the Prismic MCP server to build the page components out in like no time. Deeply integrates with Next, Nuxt and Svelte kit and even generates my TypeScript types.
Sure, but now the content team's gonna be pinging you like every 10 seconds to add or change pages.
Nah, Prismic gives them a headless page builder. They take the page components that I make and use them however they want while staying on brand. Those people love me.
So, I don't have to keep making websites in WordPress?
No.
Oh my God, thank you. Get started today via the link in the description, and thank you again to Prismic for sponsoring. Cursor just announced a visual editor for their internal browser. It allows you to use a Webflow-like interface to make changes with AI agents. Here's a video they made to explain more.
Do you suffer from CSS knowledge? Are you haunted just by knowing how Flexbox works? Are you drowning beneath years of hard-earned experience? If so, Cursor can help. Hey friend, you don't have to write CSS anymore. Cursor does it for you.
But I like doing it. It's my job.
Oh, not anymore. Simply select the element you want to change, then how you want to change it.
I already know how to change the color.
Cursor then tasks an AI agent to handle your changes, and all you have to do is wait. And wait. And wait.
I would be done already.
And like magic, your text is now red. Soon you'll forget you ever knew how to make websites by yourself.
Isn't this supposed to be a developer tool?
Cursor, helping you forget so you never have to think.
That's it for this week. My name is Alex Trost. This has been the Callback. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.